show you how to post on the discussion board very quickly. So the first thing you're going to do is click on articles and PowerPoints. You can only see the corner of that because I'm only really recording the main page here. When you go onto the articles and PowerPoints page, what you're going to do every single week now is start to find whatever the dates are for that week. So I'm going to show you using next week when we talk about memory. I'm always going to drag the current week towards the top of the page. Sometimes Blackboard doesn't cooperate and it doesn't save my change. So just in case, you just scroll down to the dates. In a little bit, you're going to see a lot more information up than is available right now in this folder. But what you see right now is you always have this right here, which is what to do for the week. And I want you guys to always read this. Right now it's just blank, but I want you to read this every week. It's just going to be information that you need to do each and every week for that week. So it'll be basically a checklist for you to complete. Clicking on the discussion board, if you click onto that, it's going to take you to the discussion page, and you see we're doing memory for this week, so you can see the question is right here. So if you read through this whole question, there's a couple of videos that you're going to need to watch, and there's 3 different questions that you're answering. Make sure you answer all 3. It should be 250 words in total, responding to these questions, not for each one of the 3 questions in total. You're going to do that by Wednesday, end of day by Wednesday, so by midnight. Then either Thursday or Friday, you're going to hop on and you're going to reply to 2 other classmates. So how do you do these posts? Click on memory, click on the discussion board. This button right here, it says create thread. Click on create thread, and all you need to do, put a title in the subject line. It could be just your name, or it could be some kind of a what your post is about. And then this is where you would write your post. I will highly recommend that you write your post in your normal word processor, like Microsoft Word, and then when you're completed with writing your post, you copy and paste it into this box. You have to use your computer function to do that, so you have to use Control C to copy and Control V to paste. I will recommend to do that because in case your computer does have a problem and it crashes, your word processor will autosave. The Blackboard text box will not. You could risk losing your work. So do make sure that you do that. You can also, if you needed to, attach a file for your post, but preferably copy and paste them right into the text box. On the bottom right here, you can see this button. It says submit. I think the IT might be cut off from you, but it says submit here. You click on that when you are done. Make sure you do not click save draft. If you click save draft, you will be able to see it, but no one else will be able to see it. And this is what it will look like when you're done. So I'll leave this up here so you have up here when you're doing it yourselves, but that button right here that says create thread, you click on that to create your own forum post. So when you create your main post, make sure you click create thread. Don't make your main post as a reply to someone else. Now, when you are replying to someone else, you click on their thread. You're going to read their post. And when you want to reply to them, you click on reply right there. And you type in your reply. Remember, for the replies, I want more than 1 sentence, but 2 or 3 sentences is fine. Just contribute to one thing. You click on submit, and now we can see that we have the main post, we have a reply, and then that's how this forum will look with just many replies by the end of everything. And that's what you're doing for the week. All you have to do is a main post, 250 words or more. That's by Wednesday. And then 2 replies to other classmates. That is going to happen by Friday. You reply to those 2 classmates, not 1 sentence, as long as it's a couple sentences and you're adding something. That's all I am looking for. And that's what we're doing for the discussion board for memory. I'm going to post a different video with instructions for the group discussion assignment that we will be doing the following week. So the week of April 10th. All right, and that's it for me. If you have any questions, email me.